Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add ads on an Odoo website. This method allows you to place advertising banners or display units on selected pages without changing the main website code manually. If you want to place display ads on your site using Odoo's built-in website tools, this method is one of the simplest ways to do it. The idea is to take the ad code provided by your ad network and insert it directly into a page using the Odoo website builder. This can be useful for monetizing blog posts, promoting partner offers, or displaying your own promotional campaigns. As long as your ad provider gives you HTML or JavaScript code for the ad units, this approach works well for adding banners or other display ads exactly where you want them to appear. Common placements include the top of a page, between content sections, inside a sidebar, or near the bottom of an article. The first thing you need to do is get the ad code. To do that, log into your ad network account and create a new ad unit. Depending on the platform, you may be asked to choose an ad format, size, name, or responsive layout before generating the code. Once the ad unit is created, the platform will generate a piece of HTML or JavaScript code for you. This is the code that tells your website what ad to load and how to display it. In most cases, you do not need to understand or modify the code yourself. Make sure you copy the full code exactly as provided, because even a small change can prevent the ad from working properly. It is best to use the copy button provided by the ad network instead of selecting only part of the script manually. Next, open your Odoo website, go to the page where you want the ad to appear, and then click the Edit button in the top right corner. Make sure you are editing the correct page, especially when your website contains several similar landing pages or blog posts. This will switch the page into editing mode, which allows you to add and rearrange content visually. You will now have access to the available building blocks and page customization options. If you're planning to place the ad in a specific location, it helps to think about the layout before inserting anything, so the ad fits naturally within the page design. For example, an ad between two paragraphs should have enough spacing around it so the content remains easy to read. Once you're in edit mode, look at the panel on the right-hand side and find the Embed Code block. Depending on your Odoo version, this may also appear as an embed, code, or custom HTML block. Drag and drop that block into the exact area where you want the ad to show up. Watch for the highlighted placement indicator so you do not accidentally add it inside the wrong section. Placement matters here because it affects both visibility and the overall user experience. Try to position the ad in a way that feels integrated with the page, rather than disruptive. Avoid covering important content, placing too many ads close together, or interrupting buttons and navigation elements. After the block has been added, click on it and choose Edit. Then, paste in the ad script you copied from your ad network. Do not add extra text inside the code field, unless your ad provider specifically instructs you to do so. Double-check that the entire code is included, and then save the page. At that point, your ad code is embedded into the website, and the ad should load based on your ad network settings. The type of ad displayed may change automatically depending on the visitor, device, location, or campaign settings. If you don't see the ad immediately, keep in mind that some ad networks take a little time to begin serving content. The ad may also be delayed by account approval, browser extensions, consent settings, caching, or a newly created campaign that is still being processed. It's also a good idea to preview the page after saving, so you can confirm the ad appears correctly and doesn't interfere with the surrounding content. Check both desktop and mobile views, because an ad that looks fine on a large screen may affect the layout on a smaller device. And that's how to add ads on an Odoo website using the website builder. Once the code is added and tested, you can repeat the same process on other pages where you want your ads to appear.